go kitima dinwana fela le mokompo le boloi le kitima dinaka go nyetse ke le mogile gore go ne le mpherefere mo ntse ka ra le kompo ta sa nna ke dile ke golo ke sa attend di chila ke attend di gigi fela ntone ya go di are le baka ke yana ntse go di are le loyane le bitjane di studio le loyane le bitjane di studio le loyane straight ka le baka la re le baka le kompo gona tse bo mona ta shibale le bona ba di gigi kwa ge mo makazi ba fetsa go performa kwa ga ba tsama ba ya bogae ba khwetsa di accident re bitsa re ke di accident everything go bofa boloi fela ka magara industry bona president ke nna le yang kwa gere marata go kwa lena bona Shandeshe marata go kwao Monada marata go kwao Janesi marata go kwao Hit Boss marata go kwao Tulsi marata go kwao Shapa Bibi marata go kwao.
So you guys, Saka, you do know him by now. I think I've covered him once or twice on my channel. Does this video to talk about Lukompo, which is that music genre, which is from Limpopo. And this time he does this video, of course, addressing artists such as Sandesh, Janesh, King Manada, and Makazi, and for reportedly doing witchcraft in Lukompo. You guys, he says that, you know, there's a lot that's happening in the industry. Of course, citing accidents that are currently happening for these artists in Limpopo. You guys, we saw what happened. What's that lady's name? With Karishma, who unfortunately got involved in an accident whereby we saw two people who passed away. She was the only one who survived. And now Saka says that there's a lot of witchcraft in the industry of Lukombo, and says that it is an absolute mess. These people need to stop being jealous of each other. They need to, you know, stop performing this witchcraft, which, you know, analyze people. They say that she says that competition definitely needs to stop in the Lukompo genre, you guys. And of course, him being him, he said this, of course, very much angry, like he usually does his content. Anyways, you guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and do make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely, and I will surely be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord just continue to bless you all. Bye.